The majority of real estate agents only last 2 years in the industry. Why is this, and how can you succeed where others have failed? Watch today's video to find out. Hey everyone, John Lahey here with the Road to Real Estate Success, and today we're talking about the 5 reasons agents fail and how to avoid falling in the 75 to 90% of agents that don't see it past their second year. You're going to want to stay till the end. I'll let you know my key to success. The first reason most agents fail is because they go into real estate with no budgeting or marketing plan. If you want real estate success, you need to develop a budgeting and marketing plan. Without such a plan, it'll be hard for agents to consistently close deals, and that's why most fail. You need to know how much money you're willing to invest in marketing each month, which channels will give you the best ROI, and what other strategies you can use. Take the time to develop a plan, and you'll be well on your way to real estate success. The second reason most agents fail is because even if they do have a plan, their marketing strategy doesn't fit their personality. What I mean by this is, if you are a shy person by nature, you need to figure out a plan that works for your personality. Trying to be someone you're not in real estate isn't going to lead to real estate success. You should work on honing in your existing strengths and figure out a plan that works for you. That could mean something as simple as creating videos of yourself explaining what makes you special. Or it could mean more complicated things like virtual real estate tours or podcasts. Whatever it is, make sure it fits in with your personality, and you'll have a better chance of real estate success. Cold calling, networking might be difficult tasks for you, while breaking out of your comfort zone is necessary. Doing this day in and day out is a recipe for burnout. Find a plan that fits you. If you're shy, find a way to automate or hire an assistant to make calls. If you're an active person like me, network at gyms and health clubs. It needs to fit your lifestyle. The third mistake, and one of the worst things an agent can do, is joining the wrong brokerage or team. A great team will possess a strong motivation, which leads to success and knowledge. If you join the wrong team, you'll feel isolated, and your only focus will be on meeting quotas. Without real estate success, you won't be able to provide the best services for your clients. It's important that you take a step back and assess which real estate team is right for you. Don't rush into anything. Make sure to do your research and find the real estate family that works best for you. This way, you'll have ample support, and real estate success will not be far away. The fourth reason agents fail before their second year is poor time management. Time blocking and scheduling your life is key to success in any busy industry, but especially in real estate. If you're always overbooking yourself or forgetting to call clients, you need to start time blocking and scheduling your activities. This can help you stay organized and on track to real estate success. If you want to make it in real estate, learning how to manage your time is key. And lastly, so many agents believe real estate to be easy money or expected referrals to come on their own. If you want to be successful in real estate, in the real estate industry, it takes more than just having a website and business cards. Real estate is all about building relationships with people. And if you're not willing to put in the work, you won't get anywhere. Here's the key to success that I promise you. Build relationships by loving, caring, and serving. That's how I do it. That's how our team does it. We love, we care, we serve. If you're hoping to become a real estate agent, a successful real estate agent, it's important to know why most agents fail. By understanding the obstacles you'll face, you can put yourself in a better position to excel in this rewarding career. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on becoming a successful real estate agent. We'll see you in the next episode of Road to Real Estate Success.